learn about styling plots. In the last video, you saw how to create plots using the matplotlib library and how we have incorporated different functions for creation of plots. In this video, I'm going to show you in different ways to style the plots. So here, always in the styling plots, the plot function, it takes an optional format string argument like you see r double hyphen. So this type of format string argument, it specifies the color and style of the plotted line. So you see in this statement, we have the x coordinate value, years, y coordinate value, temps, and then the format string hyphen hyphen. What does it mean? So here r specifies the color and double hyphen to specify the dashed line. So I'm going to show you other different ways of styling plots also, but before this, let's just go through the program just once. So you already are familiar to this import statement. So using the pyplot of myplotlib, you are supposed to use different plotting functions inside the library, and you are using the rather than using myplotlib.pyplot, you are going to use a temporary name for that, plt. So I'll still be using the same temp ocean.csv. Let me show you the file. Here it is. Okay, so the file has different ocean temperatures dispersed in one column. So I'll be using the file values from here to create my plotting. So it opens the file, takes all the temperatures to save them in one list. One temps list is supposed to be created, empty list. Then through the for loop, individual temperatures are now appended to the temps list one by one, and they are all float values. So that's why here I have used the float function. Now years are provided with the range of 850 to 2012. So the temperatures that you have seen in the ocean temp, so each temperature will be connected to or related to the year starting with the range of 850 and goes on up to like 2012. So the temps list values with all the temperatures that will be considered as the y coordinate value in the plotting function, and then the years will be considered as the x coordinate values. Okay, so I'm just going to run this code, and I just missed one thing. So we do have the show function over here. Without the show function, the plotting will not be visible to you. So as you see here, you have the plotting in the x coordinate. You have all the years, and the y coordinate have the temperature values, and the plotting is done in this way. And see in the right hand corner here, while I hover my mouse throughout the plotting graph, how the x coordinate and y coordinate values are changing. Okay. And see, this is R is for red color and double hyphen is for the dashed line. So I'm going to show you a different way. Let's say you want to create the plotting with black color and dashed line. So for black color we need K, and for dashed line it's double. 2 times you need to use the hyphens. So save F5. Now here is the plotting that is created. K for black and the dashed line. Now there are some other ways also. Let's say you want to create a plotting with dotted dashed line. So I'm going to save it and run it. So here by default, always if you don't provide a color, it by default takes it as a blue color. And here see you have a dash then dot. So this is one type of styling the plotting. I'm going to close this. Let's see the next one. Here let's say you want a triangle, right marger and a solid line. So how does it look? To show you, I'm going to run the code, and here see a triangle along with a line. Okay, this is a different form of styling a plot. Um, okay, so I'm going to comment this line out. Let's use the last statement. So there's another format D with a thin diamond marker for D. So let's see what type of styling option is this. So here see there is no lines in between them, but each of the triangles as you see they correspond to a specific x coordinate value and y coordinate value in the right hand side in the bottom corner of the plotting. These are the different ways of styling your plots.